this manure dryer that we install at Kaduna. So what is happening here is that this place that they want to install it, there is a lot of sand here. So for you to make sure that the machine that we brought is working, that is why we want to test it. You can see that the manure dryer is working. So this is the machine, this is the operative machine. So I've already put on the dryer. Now when I put on the dryer is working. You can see that it's working. You can see it, but there is a lot of sand inside. I will just on the machine now, the sucker now. You will see that the sucker is working. You can see it. This is the hose. This one that is coming from the sucker. This is return, and this one here is outlet. So if I on it now, you will see how the machine is working. So I want to on the sucker. You can see the sucker is working now. You can see it. How the sucker is working. You can see the motor of sucker is working. You can see it. There is a water inside, so it can't suck anything out. But the one that is sucking, that one is return. This one is outlet. You can see the outlet that is producing water. It's not producing anything than water. This one is dryer. Instead of the dryer to dry the sheet, to dry the manure, it's just bringing out the water because there is a water inside. There is nothing like manure inside. That is why it's producing the water. You can see it, as you can see it now. So you can see it. This one that is coming from the sucker. You can see the motor of the dryer now. So this is it. This is it. Instead of producing the manure, you can see that there is a water that is coming out because there is not enough of what we need inside. You can see it now. So that is how we install the machine. But when they want to use it in a very good way, it can work very well with a lot of manure, but not this kind of things that is coming out. You can see that there is a sand inside there. You can see the dirty. So we just test it for them to make sure that the motor is working. That's why we test it. That's it. So I will off the motor now. So I've already off the motor. When I off the motor, you can see that the light here is on. So I will after that I will off the dryer. Thank you so much for cooperating with us at Chris Farm Nigeria Limited. Thank you.